Unraveling the mystery. Lost in the ether. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard but not fully grasped. Lost in the ether. This phrase is rich in meaning and beautifully poetic, capturing a sense of something that has disappeared or become inaccessible. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, lost in the ether, evokes a sense of something that has vanished into thin air, unreachable and perhaps irretrievable. The term, ether, originally refers to the clear sky or the upper regions of air beyond the clouds. Historically, it was also thought to be a medium that filled the universe, through which light waves travel. So, when we say something is lost in the ether, we're imagining it disappearing into an expansive, ungraspable space. Ether has a mystical, almost magical quality to it. In the context of this phrase, it represents a vast, intangible realm. It's not just about physical disappearance. It's also about things that get lost in communication, lost opportunities, or ideas that never come to fruition. For example, a message that never reaches its recipient can be said to be lost in the ether, highlighting its failure to connect or materialize in the tangible world. To fully grasp the usage of lost in the ether, let's look at some examples. In communication, I sent an email to my professor last week, but it seems to have been lost in the ether since I haven't received a reply. For lost items or efforts, all the hard work put into the project felt lost in the ether after it was abruptly cancelled. Metaphorical sense. Sometimes, dreams feel like they're lost in the ether, elusive and hard to catch. The concept of the ether has been used in literature and popular culture to express a range of meanings, from the scientific to the spiritual. It's a term that captures the human experience of loss, the unknown, and the spaces between our reality and our desires. Understanding this phrase enriches your language, allowing you to express complex feelings of absence and intangibility with poetic precision. And that wraps up our exploration of lost in the ether. We hope this video sheds light on the phrase's depth and beauty, enriching your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the worlds they evoke. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning. See you in the next video.